Hello guys, my name is Gabriel. Gabriel. And today I will teach you how to install Need for Speed Most Wanted. 2005 version. If you got the CD in, you will go to E. Yes, E. Wait until it's done. You have to click on install. You need to enter the code, and I'll give it in the description. Now, leave me a second. I give you the key into the description. So now I've entered that code, serial number. Sorry. You have to accept this. Yes. Wait. You have to wait. Yes, you hear advanced user. I don't have too much on D, and I install it on I don't have too much space on D, and I installed it on D. Alright. Next. Browse. Computer. D. Menu folder. Oh wait. Cancel. Computer. D. No. D. Done. Alright, next. Fuck you. Will this kill you? Yes, alright. Yes, and now I've made the new folder named Need for Speed Most Wanted 2005. Okay. Next. Wait now. Oh, fuck you. Register later. Fuck out of here. Alright, I got paused. So yes, now the download is almost complete. Now it's complete. So if I want to open it, I have to wait until that's done. Until this is done. 100%. Also to clear. So alright, you see. Finish. Now enter the app for Speed trademark Most Wanted. with double click. Wait until it disappears and see my face. Alright, EA.
Hi, I'm Josie.
Hope over this. This is saved for my scenes with Cloud before I uninstalled. See, career, recent career, car select, 10 cars. That was not a save for my last. That was a hack. Yes, a hack. So now I need to end. So goodbye, guys.